Hello and welcome to the tutorial Safe Position and Speed Monitoring without FSoE. My name is Volker Marks from the company Kendrion, and I will show you in 5 minutes how you can realize a Safety PLd solution even without a specially designed drive. Let's go! Do you have or are you planning a machine in which drive technology is used? Due to the machine directives, you have to prove a certain safety level in most cases today. Most drives have, for example, an STO input that is classically wired to a safety controller. But what if a safe position or speed is also required? If you use the CODESYS development system to create your software and you use EtherCAD, then you should definitely take a look at this tutorial. But also, if you use another development system, please contact our technical support. We will then clarify whether we can still provide you with a solution. So, what does it look like? Our solution for achieving the PLD safety level. In this example, I will show you using a safe position. But of course, it works just as well with a safe speed or any analog value, such as a temperature. Basically, to achieve PLD, you need two different signal sources, for example, two encoder systems, and also two different communication paths. These two data can now be compared by a suitable safety controller. But let's have a look at the whole thing in the overview. We have a motor which is operated by a servo controller, a normal servo controller without FSoE, so without the protocol for transferring safe data. This is connected as a slave to an EtherCAD field bus, and it sends its position data to the CODESYS PLC via the process image. So, this is our first signal and our first communication path. For the second signal, we now use a Hall sensor, present in the motor or otherwise a second encoder. In order to read this source and transmit it via a separate path, we now need a suitable counter module. This counter module sends the position data to the controller via a safety container. The safety container is part of the cyclic EtherCAD frame and contains a safe protocol with a position value. The two data must now be compared, and for this, of course, a safety control is needed. Via a special communication interface, the data of the counter module are copied to the safety control. The gray position data of the process image are transferred to the yellow world via exchange variables. There, the evaluation of both data takes place. If the deviation of the two position value exceeds a certain window, a safety I/O can set an output. This could be, for example, the STO input of the servo controller. Which components does Kendrion supply? Well, the answer is quite simple. Everything except the drive technology. But let's take a look at the components. First, there is a CODESYS PLC, in this case a controller 116, which is also available on the variant with CODESYS soft motion, so perfect for smaller robotics or CNC systems. Then the counter module, which we have developed especially for this PLD solution. This module has two encoder inputs, so suitable for two axes. If you need safe temperature values or safe analog values, this is also possible with another module version. Then our new Safety PLC in the variant with integrated extender. This is our safety master for our counter modules and our safety I/O. Of course, this PLC can also communicate directly with an FSoE-capable drive. In our example, we switch a safe output and use a safety I/O, which is available in different versions. Since we have a safety PLC with an extender, we can now connect the remaining EtherCAD slaves, such as a servo amplifier. There it is, the Safety PLD complete solution from Kendrion. We have now reached the end of this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this little excursion into the world of safety. And for further information, I recommend our overview page Control Technology, which you can find as a link below this video. There you will find all information about our components for industrial automation, operator panels, I/O systems, control systems and much more. We look forward to seeing you. That's for sure too.